Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be sharing with you how to view tasks in Clickup. Let's get started. Well, the first thing is to navigate to Clickup and log in with your username and password. When you log in, you'll be navigated to the home section. And here, you can see a number of items that I have created here. It's just a simple dashboard, and I'll be showing you how to edit that in the next few minutes. So we want to check all the tasks in ClickUp. Now, tasks in ClickUp are usually created inside spaces. So on the left navigation panel, I'll navigate to the space section and click on the drop down menu to view all the spaces that I have in my ClickUp. I have two spaces that I have created. One is project management, the other one is the space section. Now to get to tasks, tasks are usually set in spaces. I have already created a space called project management, and there's one that is called on space. If I click on the space called project management, I will get access to all the tasks that correspond with project management space. The task I have is called video production. And if you come at the top section here, you see video production, and this is a task. I can decide to add a new task on this project management area, and in the task, I can add other subtasks that come along to create the main task, which is video production. So if I had many tasks in here, I would have seen all of them. Can minimize that. If I had multiple tasks, I would see video production, graphic editing, and many other tasks that are lying in here. It becomes very easy when you're working with tasks using ClickUp by just navigating into your space section, selecting the space that you'd like to have tasks from, and showing all the tasks that you have in the segment. Well, that is how you view tasks in ClickUp for your project management. Well, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.